just configured the upper part of the F5.
Yes,
That
now I
means
am going to
router,
configure
firewall,
the big IP.
the initial setup of big IP.
Yes, yes. Part 1 we left it. Now I am going to starting from this part. Okay. Enter and wait for some time to coming up the interface of F5 where I can configure my management IP. It's literally getting some time. Now press yes, enter. Sorry, use the automatic IP configuration. Default route 0.
If you want to cancel this IP, you can tap the no option
Yes,
and
but I
enter. Then you can
mistakenly
set the
press the yes button. Okay, that's not a problem. I can configure it from beginning. So I hold the video.
this is a
So
life-changing
I
decision
need
that
to
can be
change this
extremely.
IP. So I am select no, so that I am can able to edit it. So I have to give him the IP 192.168.24.130 and press OK. Subnet mask is OK. Do you click to default route? Yes. So my default route is 2. OK.
Okay.
Yes.
Can you hear me, bro?
Yes, I am hearing you.
Okay. Thank you for your feedback.
Maybe it's okay now.
Hopefully, we'll get.
Okay, let's try to web browser. Using this IP 130. Still not coming up.
Please put HTTPS.
It should be coming up the page. Configuration is okay.
Yes, put HTTPS before the IP in the browser.
Yeah, I can't hear you.
Put HTTPS before the browser IP of the browser. Then it will become, I hope.
Yes, it's already HTTPS. It's take time because coming up the CLI configuration.
You can check by the is it the okay or not the IP.
Yes, IP is okay. May I get ping? It's still coming up. Oh, this is
We
the
need to
wrong
set.
mistake here. This interface is the management interface, so I have to stop my both LTM big IP and change the interface to management interface in lieu of E1.3. So I have to delete it and connected this interface to this interface. My
Management interface. Okay, then it will work.
Now it's the work. I'm going to start my bot and waiting to some time to up the device. So I'm taking some time. My big icon is coming up. So I am trying to log in.
কই আপনার তো আমি দেখি না
Oh,
লগ ইন করেন
you are not sharing my screen?
ওকে ইটস ওকে নাও
So my interface GUI mode is coming up. This is my license.
ওটা বাকি আছে দেখি ভাই একটা ব্রেক দিবেন না প্লিজ নিড এ ব্রেক ফর ডিনার
What's the problem?
তো দিলাম
Session out na?
আপনার তো আমি দেখতে পারতেছি is it working the serial key
My serial key is not working here. Because of issue, some serial is not.
we will talk about the topic with later হ্যাঁ
NTP. How to configure the NTP?
system go to system
Yeah,
oh no
configure the NTP. Wait some time. My NTP server IP.
ওটাতে পিং দেন পিং যে আইপিটা পাবেন সরাসরি আইপি
আমি কেন যাই ছেলে নয় না আমার তো চারজন সামনে গেলে সিগারেট বাতি দিয়ে ভালো